Hi everyone, my name is Wilfredo and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Cha-chan! Let's get all of these out. We have a DJI QR code with some information about their store and their app. Let's put it on the side. And before we get to the main event, I want to show you the kit that I purchased alongside the drone. This is the Fly More Kit Plus, which comes with 2 sets of intelligent batteries that allows the drone to fly for about 47 minutes, as opposed to the standard Fly More Kit, which only allows the drone to fly for about 34 minutes. In this kit, we see a shoulder bag. It comes with a shoulder bag. It comes with a charging hub or charging portal, 2 intelligent set of batteries, extra propellers, and a Type-C cord. This comes as an extra when you are purchasing your DJI Mini 3 Pro, so keep that in mind. I'll put it here on the side. And now the main event, what we're here for. The DJI Mini 3 Pro. This is a 4K version. I'm very excited about this. And let's open this bad boy. Ever since I made my purchase at DJI.com, I've been so excited to receive this package, but I think I will just hold on for a moment. Let's open up the Fly More Kit Plus. Let's see what comes inside, okay? So here we have our shoulder bag. Let's put the box on the side. Okay. Here, it's our set of intelligent batteries with an open space for the battery that comes inside of the DJI Mini Pro. Also the charging hub. It has a power on button, as well as an in for Type-C charger and an out for a USB charger. So I'm assuming that while this is charging, you could also charge any other devices with the USB charger. So yeah, let's continue. This is a manual. Just put it on the side for a moment. It's already empty in here. So now let's just try to zipper up here. So in here, looks like we have our Type-C cord. And there are 2 propellers and some type of screws in each bag. All right, so that's all that comes inside of the Fly More Kit Plus. The Plus, like I previously mentioned, it's just for the intelligent batteries. These are different batteries that allows the drone to fly for about 47 minutes. It is very convenient for traveling. And last but not least, let's open up our drone. I just want to point out, I did want to buy the drone that includes the RC, the remote controller with the 5.5-inch display. There are 3 versions of this drone. One that you could purchase the drone by itself, another one with a remote controller, which allows you to plug it into your smartphone or your tablet, There's another version, which is this one, that includes the 5.5-inch HD display, and that's the one I purchased because it saves me time and battery life on my smartphone. And without further ado, let's open up our mini drone. Oh, here it is. The DJI Mini 3 Pro. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's just amazing to have in your hand. This weighs about 249 grams. It's very light. I'll get to it in a second. There's still more. Here's our remote controller. Folks, it is gorgeous. I can't tell you enough. And there's one more packaging here. Another set of propeller, a screwdriver, and another Type-C charger or cord. And also it comes with a quick start guide, which it's already here for those who like to go through it, read it. It's also online, which you could download for your convenience if you don't want to carry any papers. All right, let's get down to business, shall we? Okay. There's a label that reads, "Charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time." Also, there is the Type-C charger if you want to charge your battery, and your micro SD slot. So here's the battery. Let's put it back on. This doesn't come with landing gears or the landing bases. There are gonna be a lot of places, sceneries, and images that we'd like to show you on our channel. And hopefully all of them are gonna be recorded with this DJI Mini 3 Pro. That is it for today. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any opinions, you can leave it down on the comments. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Bye.